not the swear words on my Christian stream. I'm clearing my throat because that's what everyone that reads stories do. So, you can see I'm very good at reading. He awoke to the huge insect. How do you say that? Frick. Well, I'm to ESL. No, not incest. No. Oh my god. He awoke to the huge insect-like creature looming over his bed and screamed. Can I scream? Okay, I'm gonna scream. How was that? Rate me 10 out of 10, right? 10 out of 10, 100 out of 10, 20 out of 10. And if my neighbors are awake now, we'll tell them to watch my stream. The next morning, there was a tap on the door. There's a tap, right? One night, he awoke to gunshots. And screaming. The insects tittered as he swung and moaned. I am not gonna moan.